The Grand Mahakumbh Mela 2025, a 45-day event and the world's largest spiritual gathering, commenced on Paush Purnima in Prayagraj on 13th January, drawing millions of devotees. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath welcomed pilgrims, saints, and visitors, highlighting the event's significance as a proud symbol of India's spiritual and cultural heritage. Nearly 1 crore people took a holy dip at the Sangam on the first day, with the tight security measures, including drone and underwater surveillance, ensuring a safe experience. Deputy Chief Minister Keshav Prasad Maurya called the Mahakumbh the state's moral responsibility and assured that upcoming holy dips would match the grandeur and meticulous arrangements. Uttarakhand CM Pushkar Singh Dhami urged everyone to participate, calling the holy bath a way to cleanse sins. PM Narendra Modi, addressing a rally in Srinagar, praised the festive spirit of Mahakumbh alongside other celebrations like Lohri, Pongal, and Makar Sankranti. Indian Railways has facilitated the movement of devotees with over 13,000 trains, including special services from Odisha. The event also captivated international visitors who admired the unique spirituality and energy of the gathering. As Mahakumbh continues, Prayagraj remains the focal point for millions seeking spiritual renewal and blessings.